Hey, welcome to our 15th week, finals week. We have one more day, and the final exam is split into two parts. This is probably common, oops, what is this? Yeah, this is probably common knowledge, but I just want to make sure everyone has it down pat, and there might be something in here that you might not be aware of. And that first thing that comes to mind is Chapter 16, announcement about the Chapter 16 one-time take. I decided not to have that as part of the grade, the one-time take, and so you can still take it just for helping you on the test tomorrow. But it won't be graded, so don't worry about not seeing a grade in the Chapter 16 one-time take. Other than that, I have the discussion groups to still grade this 14th week, maybe 13th, but I think I had everything up to speed up till now. The grading on the final SQL coding part will be in the next 2 days. Hopefully on my part, I'll have the window available to me that I can do that. The worst case is I won't get it all graded till Thursday, and you'll have your grade in within 24 hours. So you might get your grade in at the earliest, maybe possibly Wednesday, but more likely Thursday or Friday. There's one little glitch there. The scheduling has our class on a Monday, which means that even though we agreed to have our class on a Tuesday, the first day of the week, officially it's the last day of the week, so maybe the registrar's office won't record the grades until next Tuesday just for that reason, or maybe next Monday. So just want to throw that out there in case you were wondering. Now, I also want to make sure that you're logging into Apex okay. That's one of the reasons that the part 1 is ahead of Tuesday, if you wish. I have a due date of tonight, just so that you know that if you were going to do it away from being part of the part 2, it's best that you have that done tonight and out of your way, so you only need to concentrate on part 2 tomorrow. If you are going to do part 1 and part 2 together with your proctor tomorrow, you do not have to have the proctor there while you do part 1, just part 2, which is the D2L multiple choice true false part. That's the only part that has to be closed book, because the part 1 SQL coding is open book, open notes, open anything. And so that can be done tonight and put in the assignment folder. But if it was done tonight, then we would know if there was any password issues or anything that's happened since you last logged into your personal Apex account. So I just want to make sure you're good there. So if you wouldn't mind, at least log into your personal Apex account tonight so that I can react early in the morning before anyone actually has to finish that off, if you are going to use Tuesday to do part 1. Okay, I think that's about all the announcements that I do want to make. If there's anything else, you can email me, but it was nice having you in class, and I hope it was a rewarding experience for you, even though this is the first time I've offered this course online, and I will be making some efficiency changes in the next go-round. It usually takes 2 or 3 go-rounds on an online class offering for me to see where there might be little bubbles of too much activity for a week and that sort of thing. And so I've already taken in a few suggestions as well, and I appreciate any suggestions you also might have if you have any adjustments, any recommendations on how I can make adjustments for a future offering of this online class. And I thank you very much. So best of everything in your final exam and the rest of your career. If I don't see you in a face-to-face class in the future or another class, all the best.
Very nice, very nice.
Okay, this is weird. I'll have to end the meeting. This is going to be on the recording, so I'm sorry, Nick and Christy, but it went away, the little slide that I know why. I'm in the wrong side. Oh well. Okay, so